just started. This is, I showed you the set out before. So now I follow this line and we make sure we're dead straight. I lay these two tiles, these two planks, and then I make sure it's super straight. They always take when you're laying planks, it always takes a few more clips than normal, but that's all right. Always have your supply of tiles beside you, so now I don't have to get up until I've used this bucket of glue. So I just stay on my knees. With good knee pads, you stay on your knees. You're not up and down, up and down. Young fellas might be able to, but old farts, well then you think of your back and that sort of thing. But even when I was young doing this, I'd still think about my body, and that's probably why I'm still doing it now, because I saved my body a bit. It's always a good idea to wipe your glue like I've just done there, see? And it minimises the glue between your joints. When you put them together, because there's nothing worse than having untold glue between your joints and you're scratching it out. It's not much fun. The sun's shining today, which is cool. We've had a fair bit of rain over the past month, but it's all going to come good, I think. And just keep doing this, and it's surprising how far you get by the end of the day. Always wipe your joint, pop in your clip, I'm using a cement based, the glue I'm using is a cement based rubber modified polymer, all that jazz, all your additives. Which it's a good glue. You see where I'm putting my clips? That'll be for there. You see where I'm putting my clips? You have one there like that, it keeps those nice and flush. These planks have a little bit of a tendency to want to curl up, so you have a clip, if you dig what I mean. That's where, you know, I wouldn't want to have my clip here, say, just to try and save on a few clips. And I need a clip there and one there for those corners. You do that and you end up with a beautiful floor, which you get very happy customers. And that's why I'm back here 3 years after I started the job, doing more for them. I just put this plank in and then I'll turn off the camera. See these round edge tiles? See, there's a bit of a lip there. It's not as like, it looks like a good floor that I'm laying over, but it's not as good as you think. But with round edge tiles you can get away with the odd lip, but not with your square edge porcelain these days. That's why you have these little suckers. It brings it beautiful. I'll turn off my camera and I'll come back to you when I'm straightening that first row. I'll show you how I do it.